state, choosing to consider themselves as brothers and sisters connected by the common past of their ancestry and the shared future of the generations that would come after them. We learn from these gallant sons and daughters of Kenya that for us to defend our freedom, sovereignty, territorial integrity, and economic transformation, for us to overcome inequality, poverty, and the need in our midst, we must harness and aggregate the collective daily struggles of ordinary Kenyans for our common good. For the aspiration of forging a united Kenya to materialize, we must accept each other, recognize our equality, accept that diversity and difference among us are for building rather than destroying us. A united nation is better equipped to deal with the challenges and overcome the obstacles we face in an increasingly complex, unpredictable, and insecure world. Kenya's